What if I told you that some of the most powerful medicines on earth are not locked away in a $200 bottle at Whole Foods, but quietly pushing through the soil right now, waiting for someone, anyone, to notice them? These plants were once guarded like royal treasures by ancient healers. Today, scientists are scrambling to study them because they're disappearing faster than we realize. Not because they don't work, but because most people have no idea how life-changing they actually are. I'm about to hand you the 10 rare medicinal plants you need to start growing this year. And if you stay with me until the very end, I'll tell you which one researchers are already calling the future of natural medicine. Hey family, welcome back to the channel, your safe place for real plants, real healing, and zero hype. If you're tired of feeling run down, stressed, or just want to take your health back into your own hands, you're in the right place. Do me a quick favor. Hit that like button right now so YouTube shows this to more people who need it. Subscribe and ring the bell. Let's grow something powerful together. Today, we're diving deep into 10 rare medicinal plants that are actually easy to grow, even if you only have a small backyard, a balcony, or a sunny windowsill. These aren't just pretty green things. These are living pharmacies that ancient civilizations protected with their lives, and modern life desperately needs again. Let's jump in. Plant number 1, moringa, the tree that makes me emotional every single time I talk about it. Moringa. I still remember the first time I tasted a fresh moringa leaf. It felt like my body woke up. This miracle tree is packed with more vitamins A, C, and E than almost anything else on the planet, plus calcium, iron, and antioxidants that fight inflammation like warriors. People have used it for centuries to boost immunity, balance blood sugar, heal digestion, and protect the heart. What blows my mind? It grows crazy fast, even in poor soil and crazy heat, and you can keep harvesting the leaves over and over without hurting the tree. I grow mine in big pots here and feel like I have my own multivitamin factory outside my door. If you want one plant that gives back year after year, start with moringa. You'll thank me later. Plant number 2 is the king of patience and power, ginseng. This one hits different. For thousands of years, healers called it the root of life because it literally helps your body adapt to stress, rebuild energy, and stay strong when life tries to knock you down. It supports your immune system, sharpens your mind, improves circulation, and fights that deep, soul-crushing fatigue so many of us carry around. Here's the emotional part. Ginseng takes years to mature. The longer you wait, the more powerful it becomes. That's why it's rare and expensive now. But when you grow your own, you're not just growing a plant, you're growing your future vitality. It's slow medicine, and it's worth every single day. Number 3 is my personal peace plant, ashwagandha. In this crazy, non-stop world we live in, this root feels like a warm hug for your nervous system. Ancient healers used it to calm anxiety, help you sleep like a baby, balance hormones, and give you steady energy without the crash. It doesn't force your body to change. It just reminds it how to heal itself. I started growing ashwagandha during a really stressful season in my life, and I swear it changed how I handled everything. It loves warm, dry soil and almost zero babysitting. If burnout has been your constant companion lately, this plant is calling your name. Number 4 is one you already know, but probably not like this, turmeric. That bright golden root isn't just for curry. The curcumin inside it is one of the strongest natural anti-inflammatories on earth. It protects your joints, soothes digestion, guards your heart, and helps your immune system stay ready for battle. I grow mine in big containers and feel so proud every time I dig up fresh turmeric. It's proof that the simplest things can be the most powerful. Science keeps confirming what grandmothers knew for centuries. Turmeric is real medicine. Number 5 is sacred to me, holy basil, also known as tulsi. This isn't just a plant, it's protection. Tulsi strengthens your lungs,
fights seasonal junk, calms your mind, and helps your body handle stress and pollution. The smell alone when you brush past it, it's like nature giving you a deep breath. I keep a big Tulsi plant right by my front door. Every morning I pick a few leaves for tea and feel like I'm starting the day wrapped in calm. It grows almost anywhere and keeps giving. Pure, everyday magic. Plant number 6 is the one you can grow even if you kill every other plant. Aloe vera. That cool, clear gel inside the leaves? Instant relief for burns, cuts, dry skin, and even gut health when used properly. It's been healing humans for thousands of years and still works better than most fancy creams. I love that one plant can give you medicine for both inside and outside your body. It survives on almost nothing, perfect for busy people or apartments. Grow it once and you'll have it forever. Number 7 is the quiet powerhouse most people have never heard of, Artemisia. This rare beauty has been used across cultures to support immunity, calm fevers, help the liver, and fight infections. Researchers are paying attention again because of its unique compounds. It grows in poor, dry soil with almost no care. Because it's not mass-produced, it still feels like a secret. But trust me, once you grow it, you'll understand why traditional healers protected it so fiercely. Number 8 is the one that saved my stomach more times than I can count, ginger. Fresh ginger root is incredible for nausea, digestion, circulation, and knocking out colds naturally. It warms you from the inside and tastes like pure comfort. The best part, you can harvest little pieces all year without killing the plant. I always keep a few pots going because nothing beats homemade ginger tea when life feels heavy. Number 9 is the brain plant that still surprises me, Gotu kola. This little creeper has been used for centuries to sharpen memory, clear brain fog, improve circulation, and help wounds heal faster. In a world where we're all staring at screens, Gotu kola feels like medicine for the modern mind. It loves moisture and spreads beautifully. I grow it in hanging baskets and love watching people's faces when I tell them what it actually does. Underrated gem. And plant number 10, the tree that feels like a superhero, neem. Almost every part of this tree, leaves, bark, seeds, oil, is medicine. It supports skin health, oral hygiene, immunity, and even natural pest control in your garden. Strong antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, nature packed it all in one tree. Once it's established, it's practically indestructible. I planted mine years ago, and it still feels like I planted a living legacy.
So, there you have it. 10 rare medicinal plants that can literally change your life, and they're all growable right now in your own space. These aren't just plants, they're hope. They're independence. They're the knowledge our grandparents fought to keep alive. In a world that keeps pushing pills, growing your own medicine is one of the most rebellious, empowering things you can do. If this video lit even a small spark in you, please drop a like, share it with someone who needs natural hope right now, and subscribe Peaceful Green Gardens channel so we can keep uncovering these hidden treasures together. Tell me in the comments, which one are you planting first? Or which one are you already growing? I read every single comment and I love hearing your stories. Thank you for spending this time with me. Keep growing, keep healing, and stay close to nature. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, family.